In this video, we are going to see how we can create a shared folder between your host computer and the virtual machine, so that let's say that we want to use files or softwares from a folder from the host machine, and we don't want to copy all of them one by one into the virtual machine, because that takes a lot of time. So instead, we will create this as a shared folder. What we have to do, the steps are very simple. We don't have to create any kind of network sharing. All we have to do is just go to the VM and let's click on settings and then select the options. And under here, we have the shared folders option that is disabled. So let's set it to always enabled. And here it will just ask you to select the folder path from the host machine. So let's click on add, click on next. From the host, let's select that. Now these locations are shown for the host computer. So this is my folder, tele backup, click OK. And the name will be same, click next. Enable this share, click on finish. Now let's click OK. And we are already logged into the virtual machine. So let's try this. Let's go to this PC and we go to the network. Make sure the network discovery is turned on. And we cannot see this right here. So let's just quickly restart this, or otherwise, let's just shut down this and make sure the settings are intact. Okay. Let's just click here, edit virtual machine settings, go to the options, and we just want to make sure that the shared folders are still enabled and the location is correctly selected. So all good. If you want to make any property changes, let's say I want to enable the read only as well. I can do that. Click OK. And let's click on power on this virtual machine. Let's add in our credentials. And then if we go to this folder and we click on the network, we should be able to see this VMware host, where if you go, you will see the shared folders. So not only you have the access directly from the host machine, but also whenever you create any kind of new folder, you should be able to create that, provided that you don't have a read-only access. Here we just set a read-only access, so the user won't be able to make any kind of changes. But that's how you create it, and it will facilitate to share the files easily between the host computer and the virtual machine. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.